How do I install a steering cable on scag 3-wheeler? I seem to have it backwards.
Need model number. To change direction, cable needs to be twisted 180 degrees round.
No model hash. There is a pin on cable set on rear side of cable. Wrapped cables around steering column. Tried one up and one lower and reversed. Nether worked. Can you explain twist 180?
It lets the cable pull from the other direction. The twist lets pulley go in other direction. http://www.partstree.com/parts/scag/mowers riding lawn mower /STHM20CV scag 3 wheel riding mower 20 horsepower Kohler SN6000069999 / rider frame assembly /
I had that drawing, but did not show the installation. Just tried it again and crossed the cables to opposite anchor.
Is it not steering, or is in wrong direction? http://www.scag.com/op-manual/sthm/94smotman/94smotman-complete.pdf. Page 11 in manual link. Please rate to close.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert now, visit JustAnswer.com/YTHI.